Okay, so as we begin to start formatting our chart, the first few options I want to discuss is changing the chart design. And if you notice, if we click on our chart, two more tabs pop up in the ribbon that involve formatting options for our chart. I'm going to click on Chart Design. When we first inserted our chart, Excel gave us a pretty basic chart to go off of. But let's say we want to start changing the layout of this chart. If we come over here to the Charts Layouts group and click Quick Layout, Excel provides us a few different layouts that we can apply to our chart. For example, if I start to hover over these, we can see that the chart elements such as the title, the legend, the bars, data labels, and so on start to change. And you can select any of these based on your preference. We also have the option to change the colors of the bars. Right now it is selected to the default Microsoft theme, but we can hover over these different color schemes to get a preview of what our chart would look like. So if your worksheet had a blue theme and you insert a chart, you can change the colors of your bars to make it match your theme. And lastly, we can change the style of our chart. And once again, we can select a few different predefined styles that Excel provides for us. And if we start to hover over these styles, you'll see our chart change. And these styles focus more on the formatting of the chart, such as the background color of the chart, fonts, effects, and so on. So it's up to you to choose a style that you think looks best with your worksheet. I know that this was a pretty quick video, but I wanted to introduce you to how to change the chart design before we actually get into formatting the elements of the chart in the next video.